How to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. So in order to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just log into your wallet or your PayPal account and go ahead and tap on the send button located in the top left hand side corner. Now after that, you need to enter an exact amount. Now right over here, you need to go ahead and select the email address or the username of the particular receiver to whom you actually want to transfer the money, and you need to go ahead and enter in the exact amount that you wish to transfer. After you've done that, you need to go through all of the information you're provided, and if you're sure about it, then click on the transfer money tab and select the transfer to your bank account. And after you've done that, you've successfully transferred money to your. So likewise, there's no such direct way of transferring money from PayPal to Revolut. So all you can do is just transfer it to your bank account, and you can link the same bank account to your Revolut account, and from the bank you can just directly deposit into your Revolut account. So in this way you can transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.